Oktoberfest has been an opportunity for me to kind of showcase some of the foods that we ate growing up. My grandmother and grandpa were both phenomenal German cooks. Getting to relive some of those recipes and share some of the things that I grew up with is fun for me. My philosophy behind cooking and food is really to just make good food. You know, it's not that difficult if you source good ingredients and don't do too much to them. Just try to treat the ingredients with the respect they deserve. That's kind of how I approach any dish I do. So one of the new dishes we're doing this year is called Rinderrippen. It's a braised short rib with a Dunkelweiss demi-glace. We source these really nice 3-bone short ribs from Wasatch meats. We smoke them over hardwood for 2 hours, and then we braise them in a Dunkelweiss demi-glace, which is dark German beer veal stock. That goes for about 8 hours until it's fork tender, and that's served with Rotkohl, which is a braised red cabbage, and Spätzle, a traditional German dumpling. And I'm really excited for people to come and try some of the non-bratwurst pretzel dishes that my family grew up with. But the only thing to do is enjoy it with a large Stein beer and enjoy the Oktoberfest.